The Essentials of Hair Washing, a step-by-step guide. Hello, and welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to explore a daily routine: hair washing. It's a phrase you might hear often, but what does it entail? Stay tuned as we dive into the meaning and process behind this common hygienic practice. Hair washing refers to the act of cleaning the hair and scalp using water and shampoo. It's a basic hygiene and self-care activity that most people do regularly. The phrase can be broken down into two parts: hair, which is the strands that grow from the scalp, and washing, which means to clean something using water and usually a cleaning substance like soap or shampoo. Washing your hair is important for several reasons. It helps remove dirt, oil, and other impurities that can build up over time. This is not just about looking good. It's about maintaining a healthy scalp and hair. Regular washing can prevent issues like dandruff and scalp infections. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to wash your hair. 1. Wet your hair thoroughly with warm water to open up the hair cuticles. 2. Apply a dime-sized amount of shampoo to your scalp. 3. Gently massage the shampoo into your scalp with your fingertips. 4. Rinse out the shampoo until the water runs clear. 5. Apply conditioner to the ends of your hair, avoiding the scalp. 6. Leave the conditioner in for a few minutes. 7. Rinse thoroughly with cool water to close the hair cuticles. Use a shampoo and conditioner that's suitable for your hair type. Avoid washing your hair every day to prevent it from drying out. Do not use hot water as it can damage your hair and scalp. Pat your hair dry with a towel instead of rubbing to avoid damage. We hope this video has clarified what hair washing means and how to do it properly. Remember, it's not just about cleaning your hair. It's about caring for your overall hygiene and health. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more helpful English language tips. Happy learning and happy washing!